this view, we are on the way to Bokka 360 viewpoint, Kabaragala Kande Nuwara Road. See attractive view around this road, misty mountains. Right side you can see the Knuckles mountain range, including Gombaniya. Gombaniya is the highest of the Knuckles mountain range, which is 1906 meters high. The second highest of Knuckles is Kirigalpotta Knuckles mountain, 1647 meters. And Aliyawetunaela 1647 meters, Dumbanagala 1644 meters, Yakungegala 1586, Dothalugala 1575 meters. Like that, 5 peaks of Knuckles mountain range. You can visit also Dothalugala World's End. It calls Eastern World's End on the way to Thunthisgala to Mimure Road. Here we go. Check.
Proud to be a Sri Lanka. Have a nice day.